Question number 15. A uniform beam PQ rests horizontally on a support at point S. Okay, at point S. This is the point S. So here, a rope is attached at one end of the beam. A rope is attached at one end of the beam. The rope is at an angle of 60 degrees to the vertical, and they exerts a force F in newtons on the beam. Okay, it exerts a force F over here. What is the moment in Newton meter of the force F about the point S? What is the moment here? What is moment? Moment is nothing but this force F, F dash multiplied by the perpendicular distance here. That's what is called as moment. Okay, now what we will do is, let us resolve this into two parts. F along this direction should be F cos 60, and along this direction should be F sin 60 over here. Okay, and we know that if I want to find the moment here, I can now write this as F cos 60 multiplied by this distance. What is this distance? This is 0.3, this is 2.5. So it should be 2.5 minus 0.3, which should be 2.2 into 2.2, which should be cos 60 is half. Half multiplied by 2.2 is 1.1. So this should be 1.1 times F over here. Okay, the value of F is not given. You can just retain it and write this as 1.1 F. Answer is C.